Welcome to Common English Conversation. Are you fine, Stacy?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you fine, Stacy?
Yes, I'm okay.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Have you eaten?
No, I haven't.
Have you eaten?
No, I haven't.
Shall we go out?
Sorry, I have work.
Shall we go out?
Sorry, I have work.
How is the weather?
It's sunny.
How is the weather?
It's sunny.
Are you free?
No, I'm busy.
Are you free?
No, I'm busy.
Do you want to eat?
Yes, definitely.
Do you want to eat?
Yes, definitely.
Would you like a drink?
No, thanks.
Would you like a drink?
No, thanks.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can.
Where are you?
I'm at the store.
Where are you?
I'm at the store.
Can you stay?
Yes, I can.
Can you stay?
Yes, I can.
Why so happy?
I got promoted.
Why so happy?
I got promoted.
How was the movie?
It was great.
How was the movie?
It was great.
Is he sleeping?
Yes, he is.
Is he sleeping?
Yes, he is.
How's the food?
It's very good.
How's the food?
It's very good.
Why so late?
I was busy.
Why so late?
I was busy.
How's work?
It's going well.
How's work?
It's going well.
What do you need?
I need a break.
What do you need?
I need a break.
Are you alone?
No, I'm with friends.
Are you alone?
No, I'm with friends.
May I leave early?
Yes, you may leave early.
May I leave early?
Yes, you may leave early.
Should I email it?
Yes, please email it.
Should I email it?
Yes, please email it.
Must I finish this now?
No, you can finish later.
Must I finish this now?
No, you can finish later.
Can you write that down?
Yes, I'll write it now.
Can you write that down?
Yes, I'll write it now.
Would you like some help?
Yes, I need help.
Would you like some help?
Yes, I need help.
Are you happy?
No, I am sad.
Are you happy?
No, I am sad.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm free.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm free.
Are you confident?
No, I'm doubtful.
Are you confident?
No, I'm doubtful.
Is your glass empty?
No, it's full.
Is your glass empty?
No, it's full.
Can I sit here?
Sure, you can.
Can I sit here?
Sure, you can.
Can I join you?
Yes, you're welcome.
Can I join you?
Yes, you're welcome.
May I join you?
Yes, please join us.
May I join you?
Yes, please join us.
Will you walk with me?
Yes, let's go.
Will you walk with me?
Yes, let's go.
How's your sister?
She's great.
How's your sister?
She's great.
What did you say?
I said hello.
What did you say?
I said hello.
Is it clean?
Yes, very clean.
Is it clean?
Yes, very clean.
Why so quiet?
I'm reading.
Why so quiet?
I'm reading.
Where's my book?
It's on the shelf.
Where's my book?
It's on the shelf.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
How is it?
It's wonderful.
How is it?
It's wonderful.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Can you wait a minute?
Yes, I can wait.
Can you wait a minute?
Yes, I can wait.
Can I take a day off?
Sorry, not possible.
Can I take a day off?
Sorry, not possible.
Can I ask you a favor?
Sure, please ask.
Can I ask you a favor?
Sure, please ask.
Should I apologize to her?
Yes, you should.
Should I apologize to her?
Yes, you should.
How's the soup?
It's very tasty.
How's the soup?
It's very tasty.
Why so excited?
I want tickets.
Why so excited?
I want tickets.
What is new?
Nothing much.
What is new?
Nothing much.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Where to next?
To the beach.
Where to next?
To the beach.
Why are you laughing?
The joke was funny.
Why are you laughing?
The joke was funny.
How's your brother?
He's good, thanks.
How's your brother?
He's good, thanks.
Where is it?
It's at the store.
Where is it?
It's at the store.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am.
Shall we watch a movie?
Yes, let's watch one.
Shall we watch a movie?
Yes, let's watch one.
Could you close the door?
Sure, I'll close it.
Could you close the door?
Sure, I'll close it.
Can I use your phone?
Sorry, I'm using it.
Can I use your phone?
Sorry, I'm using it.
Can I borrow your book?
Sure, here it is.
Can I borrow your book?
Sure, here it is.
Can I have some water?
Sure, I'll get it for you.
Can I have some water?
Sure, I'll get it for you.
Can I take a break?
Of course.
Can I take a break?
Of course.
Can I leave now?
No, please stay.
Can I leave now?
No, please stay.
Might you join our team?
I might. Sounds exciting.
Might you join our team?
I might. Sounds exciting.
Will you be there tomorrow?
Yes, I will be there.
Will you be there tomorrow?
Yes, I will be there.
Shall we cook dinner?
Yes, let's do it.
Shall we cook dinner?
Yes, let's do it.
Which phone do you have?
I have an iPhone.
Which phone do you have?
I have an iPhone.
Why are you here?
I'm here to see my friend.
Why are you here?
I'm here to see my friend.
Where did you learn that?
I learned it in school.
Where did you learn that?
I learned it in school.
Whom do you follow on Instagram?
I follow my friends.
Whom do you follow on Instagram?
I follow my friends.
Will you tell me the truth?
Yes, I will tell you everything.
Will you tell me the truth?
Yes, I will tell you everything.